Hey at Tita Fit Farm, how are you guys? I missed you so much. How is everyone doing? It's been a minute. I know I haven't been uploading videos, but I'm back. It's been a while. I feel so much guilt that I haven't been giving you guys some content. But you know, life has been happening behind the scenes. A lot of things have been going on. Right now, I am actually recovering from sickness. I was sick. I don't know. I didn't do a test, but it felt like COVID-19. You know, sore throat, not being able to test salt, sugar. So I didn't do any tests. I was just, drinking a lot of tea and making chicken soup. I survived on those, but it felt like COVID-19. But I'm here to give you guys updates that I am doing okay. I'm getting back to the grind. Sometimes life happens and it's so hard to balance things. Especially me, now that I have to work to pay bills, work to save for the future, and also trying to take care of everything, just like the normal life, like everyone else. And then I'm here creating content for you guys, traveling and all those things. It can be a lot, especially for those guys who do make videos. You edit videos for yourself, you know what I mean. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but I'm not complaining. I think I like it, and that's why I'm doing this. We are heading to the fall. I love fall because you see the nice trees, like everything looking so good. That's when a lot of people take walks. You go for like a 10 miles walk and it feels like 2 miles. So I'm very excited. As you guys can see around here, there's a lot of trees. A lot of you will think that I live in the forest. No. So updates about my life. A lot of things have been happening. I recently got into a car accident when I was going to attend a concert in Portland. So I told my friends that I would be going to attend the concert, left Medford, went all the way to Portland, met my friends, and then we went out. And then we attended the concert, which was really good. It was the Afrobeat concert where they were playing a lot of African music. It was one of the concerts that I wanted to go and experience so bad. So coming out of the concert, one guy was driving on a high speed and he ended up hitting the car that I was driving. Luckily I didn't get injured, but the car was damaged so bad. It's still waiting for repairs. I feel so sad that happened, and I'm so lucky to be alive today because I wasn't injured, and that's a big thing. A lot of people get involved in most of the accidents. They end up getting injured so bad, all that, and I thank God for that, for being alive today. Sometimes it actually reminded me a lot of things, like it's good to check on friends, it's good to check on loved ones, it's good to celebrate some of the big days like party days and all that. Like, this life that we have can be taken away anytime. When I left Medford, I didn't know I was going to be involved in a car accident, but when that happened, I was so scared. I started getting a lot of anxiety when I'm driving. Like, I'm this confident driver and all that, but I started having a lot of anxiety Good thing I'm okay. The insurance is taking care of everything, and I will be able to show you some pictures of the car. They are still waiting for some parts to come from Europe so that they can fix it. Another update is that I'm going to Arizona. I'm going to hike in Sedona. I should be able to get a lot of content next month on the 20th. So I'm very excited about that. I can't wait to show you guys around. And please, if you're watching my videos, you like my content, please share with your friends. I feel like I need more support because, you know, doing these things sometimes someone will think that I make a lot of money, but I spend a lot of money doing this thing, like filming and all that. It's because I like it, but also sometimes it feels like I wish I was making something out of it so that I will be able to sponsor some of the trips, get excited, not using my hard work, not using my hard-earned money to travel and make content and all that. The reason why social media is there, it's because it's supposed to pay us so that we can do all these things. So my account is monetized. I do make a small amount of money, but I feel like I've spent so much more than I have made. So if you guys can, like, you know, share my YouTube channel with your friends and tell me what you want to see, especially those ones who are outside the US, or, like, you know, want to see things in Oregon or anywhere in the US. Tell me, like, I'm here for you guys. Let me know. I will share that kind of content with you. My last update is about what I do, fitness and nutrition. So in the fitness world, when people go to the gym, they think that's it. They take care of their physical looks and they think that's the only thing that they need. But for someone who has been in the fitness industry for a long time, almost 6 years now, I have experienced a lot of things along the way. And I never used to think about my well-being, my overall well-being. What I mean by my overall well-being is doing projects, making sure that my body is functioning very well. As someone who comes from Kenya, where it's warm and sunny throughout the year, coming to Oregon, it's warm during the summer and very cold during the winter. So that means I have to take like vitamin D supplements so that I can keep up with the demands of, like, my body. Having a dark skin, sometimes if you're not outside the sun for long times, you might not be absorbing, like, vitamin D from the sun. And I haven't been supplementing for a long time, so I went to do the blood check and I found out that I'm low in vitamin D, and also I need iron. So I'm eating a lot of liver. I know a lot of people, especially Americans, they don't like liver, but liver is really good. It's so yummy. Like, when I cook it and I know, like, it's fresh, I love it. So I've been eating a lot of liver. It's a good source of iron. Supplementing vitamin D because I feel like I cannot get enough from the sun. I'm mostly indoors. So guys, if you feel like you're pushing yourself, you've been working so hard for a long time, also go do blood check. Get to know which kind of supplements that you need. A lot of people, almost everyone who goes to the gym, they just supplement with creatine, protein and all that, but they forget about other things. B12 is very important. Make sure you have enough. And for those ones who need more information about nutrition and personal training, reach out. Go to Instagram. I have a link on my Instagram to my personal website where you can be able to get all those services. Just reach out and I will be able to guide you on your fitness journey. And also, What I mean by well-being, just check your body in general. Check the healthy status of your body, not just the physical side, the mental side, and also the well-being of your body. Check your blood, check your mental, and also work on your physical side. Get to know what you're supposed to eat, how you're supposed to eat it, and at what time. The main things that I can say for being healthy, it's getting enough sleep, making sure that you're checking the state of your mind, and also exercising. Getting to know what you eat is very important. Touching base on like those things will help someone achieve their fitness goals. So guys, those are the updates from Atita. I missed you. I wanted to do a live for this, but it's been a minute. I just wanted to talk to my camera and tell you guys that I'm doing okay. I thank God, and keep praying for us. Keep praying for us, and we will give you good content. Look at the sun, it's going down. I like the adventure. I'm here with Pepper. Thank you guys for being here at Atita Fit Farm. I love you guys. Bye.